Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can extend the Shopify free trial to 3 months instead of the normal 3 days we have on the website. So if you have to go over to the website, you're going to see that the normal free trial on the website is just 3 days. And after this 3 days free trial, what you have to do is to start paying from the basic plan, which is $24 per month. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can extend the free trial to 3 months, and all you have to pay for this 3 months is just $1 a month, and you can use this for 3 months instead of the normal $24 per month. So if you have to head over to the website, this is what you're going to see. All right, so as you can see here, it says try Shopify free for 3 days, no credit card required. All right, so if you have to go over to the pricing section here, we're going to see what this is actually going to cost you. All right, so for the basic plan, you can actually start paying with 24 US dollar. All right, so for you to extend the free trial to 3 months, and all you have to pay is just $1. I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So when you click on the link at the description of the video, this is what is going to open up at your hand. All right, so as you can see, it says the future of your business is just to shape. Sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month on selected plans. All right, so basically when you click on the link I'm adding at the description of the video, this is the page that is going to bring up. All right, and you can get to use this for 3 months, and for this 3 months all you have to pay is just $1 instead of the normal pricing of $24. So if you have to use this this free trial, that means you're going to be saving $24 for 3 months. All right, so basically if you want to key into this, if you want to get started, all you simply need to do is just come over here, then enter your email address. All right, so let me quickly show you how you can activate this 3 months trial. All right, so basically all you simply need to do is just come over here, then enter the email address you want to use. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on start free trial. So here it says let's get started. So which of these best describe you? So basically what you're going to be choosing is what best resonate with what you want to do. So it says I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. So are you just starting or you've been selling already? So basically just choose any of this, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go with I'm just starting. So after that I'm going to click on next. So it says where would you like to sell? Would you like to sell on an online store, or would you like to sell on social media, or would you like to sell in person, or do you have an existing blog or existing website you would like to sell your product, or you want to sell on a marketplace? So basically just choose any of these that best resonate with you, and if you are not sure, you can just simply choose I'm not sure here. So I'm going to go with an online store. All right, so after that just click on next so you can proceed to the next stage. So it says do you have an online audience or following? So if you have an online audience, you can easily choose yes, and if you don't, you can easily choose no. So I'm just going to click no, I don't have an online following. So after this I'm going to click on next. So it says what would you like to name your store? If you are not sure what you're going to name your store, you can actually skip this. All right, so for the sake of this video, let me quickly skip this so we can proceed. So it says where will your business be located? So depending on where you want to sell your product, or depending on where your business is registered, you can actually choose or click on the drop down menu, then select your country, and after that all you simply need to do is just click next here. So it says create a Shopify ID. One last step before you start your Shopify trial. So I'm going to click on continue with email address. So I've entered my email address, so the password I would like to use, so I'll quickly enter my password so we can proceed. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on create Shopify ID. All right, so as you can see, the store has been successfully created. So as you can see here, it says your trial just started. All right, so your 3 month trial has just started. So basically what you want to do now to launch your store is to pick a plan, then launch the Shopify store. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on pick a plan here. So as you can see, so the basic, which is normally $24 per month, is now $1 per month, and you can use this for 3 months. So the next plan is $69 per month, and the third one is $299 per month. So for the first plan, you can actually use it for $1 a month for the next 3 months. All right, so all you have to do is just click on choose basic here, and for the payment option here, you're going to see that the transaction fee and the conversion fee for this plan you are choosing is just 2%, and the feature is you can have up to 2 members, and you can have up to 1,000 location. All right, so what you're going to be starting with is just $1. All right, so the amount they are going to be charging you for the next 3 months is just $1, and you can use this to scale your e-commerce business. So this is basically going to be good if you want to launch a e-commerce business, or you want to launch a dropshipping business and you are not sure if the product you want to start with is going to convert. All right, so going with this 3-month trial is going to help you save on the monthly fee that you're normally going to be paying. So instead of paying the $24 every month, you can actually save on that, then use this opportunity to focus on marketing, then scale your business. And when your business is doing well on Shopify, you can now resume to the normal monthly fee. All right, so basically this is how you can extend your free trial on Shopify to 3 months. All right, and remember, all you have to do is just go to the description of the video, click the link there, and when you click the link there, it's going to give you this opportunity to extend your free trial on Shopify for 3 months. All right, so this is basically how to do it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.